Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I have an operation before, ma'am, in gallstone, ma'am, year 2016.
2016. Okay, so if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. So now you are okay? You are fine?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You can lift up heavy things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I'm a single mother, ma'am, I want to work for my daughter, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Mary Antisalok, 37 years old. I live in Olongapo City. I worked before as a babysitter, ma'am, for 3 years.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Okay, do you have your passport?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you again?
37, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single, ma'am. So, single mother, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
One daughter, ma'am.
How old?
17 years old.
17 years old. Okay, when is your birthday?
May 8, 1988.
May 8, 1988. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 154 centimeter and my weight 57 kilogram.
Sorry, what is your weight again?
57 kilogram, ma'am.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
College level, ma'am.
College level. In what course?
Major in accounting technology.
Accounting technology.
Ma'am.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two sisters, ma'am.
What about brother?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is your rank in your family?
I'm the middle, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 64 years old, 67, and my mother is 64 years old. They're in the only house, ma'am. No
Okay,
work.
so you mentioned that you got one kid and you are a single mother. Of course, your kid is already a teenager, but still, who will going to take care of your child later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
No, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home if you cannot handle your job anymore or if you cannot handle your homesickness. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
I work as a babysitter, ma'am.
Okay.
3 months old.
In which part of the Philippines?
In Olongapo City, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
3 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2000 until to 2012.
Sorry, can you repeat again? 2009 to 2012.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your job responsibilities is to take care a 3 months old baby, right?
Yes,
While taking care of this baby, did you do the house chores also inside the house?
Cleaning the house, ma'am.
Did you cook, laundry, and ironing?
Sometimes, ma'am.
Okay, so is it stay in maid or stay out?
Stay in, ma'am.
Stay in. Okay, after 2012, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
No, ma'am.
So you are a full-time mother until recently.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how you provide your child knowing that you are a single mother?
I'm working now, ma'am, as a factory working, ma'am.
How many months?
Almost 4 years.
4 years already. So what year did you started and what year what year did you started as a factory worker?
2021 until now, ma'am.
Okay. Factory worker. You know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not an easy job, you know. This is a very, very tough job, and I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, and the houses here is quite big. There is no joke. So you need to get ready yourself, prepare yourself, because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
I only cook my Filipino food, ma'am. I didn't try it.
Okay. But are you willing to learn to cook some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Willing to learn, ma'am.
So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I didn't try it.
It's okay. It's a yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, okay? But instead, you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes,
Normally, being a first-timer, homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
I just think my daughter, ma'am. I want to work for her education and my family, ma'am.
Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, knowing that you are a single mother and you don't rely to someone else, right? Or somebody else. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. You can be the boss in the Philippines, but here we need to humble ourselves, okay? We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, and but please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.